How to refine filters with expressions. In modern BIM workflows, the real power of your model comes from how quickly you can access the right data. Visicon filters, enhanced with expressions, let you precisely query your model so you can work faster, reduce manual effort, and make better decisions. Whether you're generating quantity takeoffs, defining clash detection sets, or comparing model revisions, the ability to create highly specific filters is critical. With Visicon, you can build these filters using any property in your model. Here I've opened a Tekla IFC model in Visicon. Let's say I want to find structural members of a specific type that are shorter than 2 meters. I'll start by selecting a steel beam and reviewing its properties. You can see this element is categorized as a beam. Next, I'll go to the Filters tab and create a new filter. To begin, I'll refine the category to include only beams. Now, selecting this filter highlights all beams in the model. Next, I'll want to narrow this down to beams of a specific type, UB 356 by 171 by 51. This is where expressions come into play. Expressions allow you to reason about any property in the model. To use a property, what we call a variable, I simply select it. In this case, the object type. Then I right-click and copy its variable syntax. Now I paste that into the expression field and define the condition using quotes to match the type. Applying this filter now isolates only beams of that specific type. From here, I can easily build on this logic. I'll clone the filter and refine it further. Each beam also has a length property. So I extend the expression using a Boolean condition and length less than 2 meters. Now the filter shows only beams of the selected type that are also shorter than 2 meters. And with a single click, I can isolate these elements to focus on exactly what matters. No manual searching, no rigid filters. With expressions, Visicon gives you complete control over your model data so you can quickly extract what you need when you need it.